All right, how's it going, team? It's Jason here from RealTourVision.com, and I hope this video finds you having an amazingly busy and fulfilling summer. It has been great around here. We did move to our new office location. You can see that address on the bottom of our website here. If any of you want to come and visit, we'd love to have you. We've got a nice area. I'm sure we're going to be doing some videos around the office here. We're still kind of getting settled in. The nice part about our new office, we have a full studio in the lower level, which is fantastic for some new ideas that we've got coming down the pipeline. But let's get started today. I wanted to talk about a few of our new technology enhancements that we have added into the system. So let's jump right into that. Going to our dashboard, some of the things that you can look forward to now in the RTV system. And I think that this one's probably the most important in it. That is the fact that all of your branded tours with your brand, your name in the domain, your affiliate on the tour. Let me pull up a branded tour here for BlueLaVaMedia, and so we can just understand what everybody's talking about. One of the most important things that I think we've done all summer really is making sure that these branded virtual tours are now showing up on all the real estate portals. And I'm talking about Trulia, I'm talking about Zillow, I'm talking about Realtor.com, Redfin, Homes.com, all your big players out there that are showcasing and pulling from the MLS. Typically in the past, we're going to show that non-branded tours. So that would be this one here. If I put the IDX in there, meaning it's not going to show the realtor. In this case, we are up in our MLS allows this. Most of them do. Ours allows this affiliate here, but no branding for the realtor whatsoever. And I think this is noteworthy. This is really noteworthy in that you can go to your customers and via a newsletter or an email, or even if you're just in passing or taking photos on the next shoot, you can let them know, hey, guess what? Your branded tour, just one more boost marketing service that we are giving you from XYZ Photography, is that your branded tours are now showing up out in the out on all the national real estate portals. So let's take a look at what that looks like. I already have one queued up here, 14401 Campbell Road, that we just shot at BlueLaVaMedia. And if you Google that property address, we'll start with Realtor.com, and I'll kind of give you an idea of what I'm talking about. When you put your mouse over the virtual tour here, you can see in the lower left corner that it's about to play the non-branded. So you can see that it's going to try to play the IDX tour, the non-branded tour. But when you click on that, boom, you're going to get the fully branded tour that's going to display not only your information during tour playback, but the agent's information. And that's just huge. That's great. It's just one more boost marketing service that you can talk about that sets you apart over the next company. And it's not just Realtor.com. It's going to apply to Mavoto, Homes.com. It's going to apply to Trulia. It's going to apply to all the big major portals. Here's Zillow down here. Zillow's kind of hard to find the tours on Zillow. We've talked about this back in our Facebook group, but you have to click on more facts and features here. And great job, those of you that did petition your Zillow rep, because Zillow was not passing any follow information. And so Zillow was not showing up on the traffic reports. Zillow was not, we were not able to get our branded tour to launch. So this is a huge update for everybody that uses Zillow. As you can see on our traffic report now, Zillow is actually starting to show up, which is big. You've got Realtor.com here, you've got Zillow, both with 5 hits, but that's really nice when you look at these stats that are coming in. It's nice to see Zillow back on the hit report. So thanks, Zillow. If you could just please put our virtual tour so it's a little bit easier to find all of us photographers that are putting content out there for you and helping you guys be as strong of a portal as you are. Making our tours that we work hard for hard to find is definitely something we'd like to ask that you change. So that's the message that you should put out there to your Zillow rep, asking them to just, hey, even if it says third-party tour, third-party virtual tour. I know that they're really pushing their tour, but something to think about when you're talking to your rep. So that's really great, great update. You don't have to do anything, but I highly encourage all of you to talk to your customers and let them know what you're doing for them. That is just a one added marketing feature that you can throw in there that is significant. So some of the other things that we've added, let's jump back over here to the tour management system. Some of the other things that we have added is the fact that all of our tiny tour URLs are now secure. So if those of you that were offering this as a boost marketing service for your company, easy way to print. So this is the tiny tour URL is a URL that you would use if you were going to print this in, say, any kind of print publication. You would want them to use that. That was not secure. We have made that secure. Another improvement that we have made, we've added a couple new revenue streams for you to take advantage of. Over at BlueLaVaMedia this summer has been really busy. We've been getting a ton of property lines. And you can see these add-ons, property lines, property lines, property lines, property lines. We're doing hundreds of drone orders, and a lot of them are adding that property line to their order. So it had been something a lot of you had been asking for on the AstroZoom, so we thought, you know what, let's go ahead and offer that up. It is for one parcel only, so you'll get one set of lines, and the added cost is $5. So if you wanted to add property lines to your AstroZoom, you can do that. You can see an example back in here, and that's a little video that'll pop up and throw the property lines. I'm going to skip ahead to the video, but that's an example of what it would look like with property lines on your AstroZoom. So moving along, the other thing that we have added is a social media video, and there is that's over here under video promotion. A lot of you have said, so why would I get a social media video when I can just go into the manager and make my own? Well, these are pretty custom social media videos. So for example, if you look at this was I believe a 12-minute video here that I put through the system. And the social media videos from RTV are 1 minute long, so they are Instagram or Facebook friendly, and which is really where you want to use them. But what the guys are going to do is they're going to take a snippet, some of the best snippets of your tour, and they're going to cram that into 1 minute. And it's not an easy thing. I encourage you to watch the video below this video where Alex goes through and he talks about the process of creating a social media video file. So this first one that I gave them was not easy. It was, I think, 80 images and 4 minutes of drone video footage, and Alex had to boil that down into a 1 minute social media video file. So not an easy task, and hats off to the guys. It's a $12 add-on, and it makes it real easy for you guys to sell that. So we've been selling a lot of those at BlueLaVaMedia. The ones that I am putting through the RTV system, the ones that require some of the nice customization that they are handmade. So Fusion, for those of you that are interested, you could just go to your media manager here, and you would, if you wanted to make a 1 minute video, you would click bulk edit, and then you would click on all your scenes, then next, and you would turn rip to video off, okay? And then you'd hit apply, and then you'd want to go through, see by default they're all on, because Fusion will take your production and it'll make a long video of every scene in your tour, including the video clips. You'll want to do the bulk edit, turn them all off, and then you'll just want to pick your top 7. So you maybe this one here, oh, this one looks nice, okay. Pick 7 scenes, and then you'll hit save, and then you'll go over here to video promotion, and then you will click compile video, and that'll make about a 1 minute video, and it's just shy of 1 minute. So pretty easy way for you to make a social media video file out of Fusion. Doesn't have any fancy transitions. It does not have any kind of fade out on the music, and it certainly doesn't allow you to trim. If you have actual drone footage or video walkthrough footage in your video, it does not allow you to like grab a snippet of that. Not yet, but that's definitely a plan at RTV for the future. So a couple extra revenue streams that we've added into the system. Fully branded tours serving up now on your major real estate portal sites. We also have something down here that I wanted to bring to your attention. You can sign up for an Ask Alex webinar. So we just started doing this here a few weeks back. It's been a huge hit. So if you need some help, you can click this question mark. If your question mark is not there, go to the bottom of your tour management system, hit the help button, it will come back. So if you have accidentally hit that X button, it will stay with you as you navigate through the tour management system. And if you see that it has disappeared, you'll just have to go to the bottom and hit that help button, and click on any of these. The top one is a way to register for Ask Alex. And we run this show. It's 3 days a week. It's Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. Great way for you to master the system and just inquire about some of the new features that we've added and essentially master the system and maybe learn a new system. Maybe you decide, hey, I want to learn floor plans, and the Ask Alex show is a great way for you to ask Alex how to put hotspots on floor plans or how to embed full motion video into a panorama or whatever the case may be. So keep that in mind. We really appreciate your support. We've got a lot in store for you, a lot of really great things coming up for next year's season. We've got a full scheduling system that we will be implementing so that you can input your photographers and have people schedule jobs directly with them. And excited about that, excited about integration with Stripe, allowing you to have a naughty list and have customers that you do not allow to invoice, customers that will have to prepay before they can download their images, as well as a whole new single property website overhaul and lots more. So very excited about getting through a rewrite that we're doing right now and programming some of this stuff in for the next busy season. So it's going to be a good finish to our year. You guys are still going to see a couple cool things trickle in on the dev side between now and the end of the year. But then again, we're going into a rewrite, and then we want to be ready with the single property website and a full scheduling system for you guys for next busy season. So thank you all for your support. Appreciate your business, and blue skies and happy tour building and photo taking team. Have a good one. Enjoy your day.